Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Celimush. Celimush, I can't pronounce the name. But you're just going to find the face. It's on the very right, which is this one. And then I just changed the skin color to this gray color. Obviously, we're not going to use this outfit, but that's what I just had on before. Then you're going to search up red black for the hair. Or black red, and I'll just use this one, or you can use any other hairstyles that you want, but I'm just too lazy to go far down for more hairstyles. Maybe this one. Then for the top, you're going to type red white, and you're just going to find a red and white top that looks decent. I cannot find the one that he uses, but you're just this one, there we go. Also, I might change the body to this one. Then for the pants, you're going to find red black, and you're just going to find the one where he wears red shoes. I guess this could work. And for the accessories, you're just going to find slime and hats. I don't know which one he uses specifically, but you can, I guess, use this one. I don't know. But that is pretty much it. Doesn't have to be super accurate. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.